Teeth grinding isn't just a dental problem. When you clench your jaw, powerful muscles stay active for hours. These muscles send constant stress signals through facial nerves directly to the brain. Even while you sleep, your brain stays partially alert. Stress centers remain active. Deep sleep becomes shallow and fragmented. Over time, this constant neural tension leads to fatigue, headaches, brain fog, and jaw pain. Your brain never fully rests. Relaxing the jaw helps calm the nervous system and allows the brain to recover.